Installing a tub and shower involves several steps and may require plumbing and carpentry skills. Here's a general guide to help you with tub and shower installation. 1. Gather the necessary tools and materials. Before starting the installation, gather the required tools and materials, which may include a new tub and shower unit, plumbing fittings, pipe wrench, adjustable wrench, screwdriver, level, measuring tape, carpenter's square, saw, drill, hammer, nails, caulk, and a plumber's tape. 2. Prepare the installation area. Remove any existing fixtures, such as the old tub or shower, and clear the installation area. Ensure the walls and floor are clean, dry, and structurally sound. Repair or replace any damaged or deteriorated surfaces. 3. Install the drain and water supply. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the drain and water supply lines. This may involve connecting the drain assembly to the existing plumbing and attaching the water supply pipes to the fixtures. Use plumber's tape on threaded connections to ensure a tight seal. 4. Frame the shower walls. If necessary, frame the walls of the shower area using lumber or prefabricated wall panels. Follow local building codes and guidelines for proper framing techniques and dimensions. Ensure the walls are plumb and level. 5. Install the shower valve. Mount the shower valve according to the manufacturer's instructions. This includes attaching the valve to the wall stud and connecting the hot and cold water supply lines. Use plumber's tape and appropriate fittings for secure connections. 6. Install the tub. Position the tub in place, making sure it is level. Use a carpenter's level to ensure accuracy. Attach the tub to the studs or support framework using screws or nails. Follow the manufacturer's instruction for specific installation guidelines. 7. Connect the drain and overflow. Connect the tub drain and overflow to the plumbing system. Use the appropriate fittings and ensure a watertight seal. Test the drain by filling the tub with water and checking for any leaks. 8. Install the shower surround or tile. If using a prefabricated shower surround, follow the manufacturer's instructions to attach it to the walls. If using tile, prepare the walls, apply mortar or adhesive, and set the tiles in place. 9. Install the shower head and controls. Attach the shower head and controls to the shower valve. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. Use plumber's tape on threaded connections to prevent leaks. 10. Caulk and seal. Apply caulk around the tub and shower enclosure to create a watertight seal. Pay attention to the joints and seams to prevent water leakage. 11. Test for leaks and proper operation. Turn on the water supply and test the tub and shower for any leaks. Check the functionality of the shower head, controls, and drain. Adjust as necessary to ensure proper operation.